Let me ask you a tough question. When was the last time you truly felt strong? Not just okay, but strong, like you could walk for 20 minutes without your knees aching, stand up without needing help, or carry your groceries without needing to pause halfway up the stairs. If you're over 60 and you're noticing muscle loss, weakness, slower movements, or leg cramps, you are not alone. And most importantly, you are not stuck like this. Here's the shocking truth most doctors don't emphasize enough. You can start rebuilding muscle, noticeably, in just 7 days. Not with painful gym workouts, not with expensive supplements, but with a simple 7-day routine that works with your aging body, not against it. Researchers at McMaster University found that adults over 60 who followed a targeted, protein-rich, low-intensity program gained lean muscle mass in just 1 week. That's exactly what this 7-day Rebuild Muscle Challenge is about. It's senior-specific, joint-friendly, and evidence-based. So if you're tired of feeling like your body is slowly shutting down, if you've been told weakness is just part of aging, then I challenge you to prove them wrong. 1 day at a time, 7 days, and gain real strength. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. Let's begin, starting with the building block of everything. Day 1. Protein first, and make it count. Muscles don't just come from moving. They come from what you feed them, especially after 60. Here's what you need to know. After age 60, your body enters a state called anabolic resistance, meaning it becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle. This is why most seniors lose muscle even if they're still eating protein. You need more, and you need it at the right time. A study from the Journal of Nutrition 2020 revealed that 30 grams of protein per meal significantly boosted muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Here's your challenge for day 1. Eat a high-protein breakfast, scrambled eggs, Greek yogurt, protein smoothie, or cottage cheese with chia seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast or flax seed for fiber and B vitamins in moderation. Why does it work? Feeding your muscles early prevents breakdown and primes your metabolism. Protein in the morning also improves blood sugar and keeps your energy steady. Day 2. Low-impact strength movements. No, you don't need to lift dumbbells or do push-ups on the floor. But if you want stronger legs, better posture, and less pain, you must use your muscles gently every day. A review in the British Medical Journal found that daily bodyweight resistance exercises helped older adults regain functional strength, reduce falls, and reverse muscle atrophy. Your challenge for day 2 takes only 10 minutes. Chair squats, 3 sets of 10. Wall push UPS, 2 sets of 10. Seated knee extensions, 15 per leg. Heel raises while holding a chair, 3 rounds of 15. Do this while watching TV, listening to the radio, or even in the kitchen. Why does it work? These simple movements activate slow-twitch muscle fibers, the same ones you need to walk, stand, and climb. Day 3. Stay hydrated. Muscles need water. Let's fix a silent muscle killer you probably don't even notice: dehydration. Muscle is made of over 70% water, but many seniors walk around in a constant state of mild dehydration. That leads to tightness, cramps, poor blood flow, and slow healing. In fact, even just 2% dehydration can lower muscle performance by up to 12%, according to the European Journal of Applied Physiology. Your challenge for day 3. Drink at least 8 glasses, 2 liters, of water. Add lemon plus a pinch of Himalayan salt for electrolytes. Or drink a homemade hydration tonic: cucumber plus mint plus a dash of apple cider vinegar. Why does it work? Well-hydrated muscles contract better, detox faster, and rebuild quicker after movement. Day 4. Micronutrient muscle boosters. Muscles need more than protein. They need the micronutrients that activate muscle enzymes. Here are 3 you can't ignore. 1. Magnesium, for muscle relaxation and energy. 2. Vitamin D, for strength and bone density. 3. Vitamin B12, for nerve signaling and coordination. One study in clinical nutrition showed that seniors low in vitamin D had significantly weaker leg strength and slower walking speed. Your challenge day 4. Eat a spinach plus pumpkin seed salad with olive oil. Take a senior multivitamin or vitamin D3 supplement. Add a boiled egg or sardine for B12. Why it works? Micronutrients help muscles fire properly, recover quicker, and prevent cramps and stiffness. Day 5. Sleep and stretch, the muscle recovery secret. You can exercise and eat right, but if you're not sleeping deeply, your muscles won't grow. Sleep is when your body releases growth hormone and repairs micro tears in muscle tissue. Poor sleep equals poor recovery, period. In a study from Frontiers in Physiology, seniors who got under 6 hours of sleep had 25% less muscle mass than those who slept 7 to 8 hours. Your challenge day 5. Do this 5-minute stretch before bed. Neck rolls, shoulder rolls, seated toe reaches, deep belly breathing. Drink a calming tea, chamomile, lemon balm, or tart cherry. Put away screens 1 hour before sleep. Why does it work? Stretching improves circulation and muscle fiber flexibility, while deep sleep allows true recovery. Day 6. Drink these for faster muscle healing. Want a simple, drinkable way to speed up recovery and reduce soreness? Try these science-backed muscle drinks. 1. Tart cherry juice reduces inflammation. 2. Golden milk, turmeric plus ginger, heals muscles. 3. Beet juice increases nitric oxide, blood flow, and endurance. In a trial by the University of Vermont, adults who drank tart cherry juice for 7 days before light exercise had significantly reduced soreness and inflammation. Your challenge for day 6. Choose one of these drinks post-workout or before bed. Use unsweetened versions with no added sugar. Why does it work? These drinks reduce oxidative stress, improve circulation, and give your muscles the nutrients needed for repair. Day 7. Track your progress and keep going. You've reached day 7, but this isn't the end. It's a checkpoint. Muscle doesn't rebuild in 1 week, but in 7 days, you'll notice fewer leg cramps, more stability when standing, less soreness and tightness, more confidence in your body. Your challenge today. Reflect. How do you feel compared to day 1? Remeasure your thighs, calves, or waist. Write down one habit you'll keep doing daily. Plan the next 7 days, repeat this challenge, or build on it. Why it works. Tracking creates momentum, and momentum is how you reclaim strength that was never truly lost. Want a perfect post-exercise snack? Try this. Half a banana plus 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You get potassium plus magnesium from the banana, and healthy fat plus protein from the peanut butter. A 2023 study in Nutrients showed that this combo helps muscles recover glycogen faster and prevents soreness. After movement, your muscles need quick carbs and protein. This combo delivers both, naturally. The truth is you're not too old to get strong. If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, I miss the old me, the strong me, know this, that version of you isn't gone. It's just waiting to be rebuilt. It's not about looking like a bodybuilder. It's about having the strength to stay independent, the energy to play with your grandkids, and the freedom to move without fear. And it all starts with these 7 days. So, are you in? Join other seniors on this journey now. Hit like if you're starting today and comment, I'm ready, so we can cheer you on. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health, and if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.